Where is the check-in counter?
Where is the check-in counter?
It's over there near the entrance.
It's over there near the entrance.
How early should I arrive?
How early should I arrive?
At least 2 hours before your flight.
At least 2 hours before your flight.
Where is gate 12?
Where is gate 12?
Follow the signs to the left.
Follow the signs to the left.
Is this the line for security?
Is this the line for security?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
Can I take this on the plane?
Can I take this on the plane?
Yes, but only if it's under 100 milliliters.
Yes, but only if it's under 100 milliliters.
Do you have any rooms available?
Do you have any rooms available?
Yes, we have a double room.
Yes, we have a double room.
Can I see the room first?
Can I see the room first?
Of course, follow me.
Of course, follow me.
How much is one night?
How much is one night?
It's $80 including breakfast.
It's $80 including breakfast.
Is breakfast included?
Is breakfast included?
Yes, it is served from 7 to 10.
Yes, it is served from 7 to 10.
Can I check out late?
Can I check out late?
Yes, until 1 p.m. with a fee.
Yes, until 1 p.m. with a fee.
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes, it's free for all guests.
Yes, it's free for all guests.
Is there a gym?
Is there a gym?
Yes, on the second floor.
Yes, on the second floor.
Can I get a wake-up call?
Can I get a wake-up call?
Sure, what time?
Sure, what time?
Where is the bus stop?
Where is the bus stop?
It's across the street.
It's across the street.
Does this train go to the city center?
Does this train go to the city center?
Yes, it does.
Yes, it does.
How much is a ticket?
How much is a ticket?
It's $2.50 one way.
It's $2.50 one way.
Can I pay with a card?
Can I pay with a card?
No, cash only.
No, cash only.
Is this seat taken?
Is this seat taken?
No, you can sit here.
No, you can sit here.
Can you take me to the airport?
Can you take me to the airport?
Sure, hop in.
Sure, hop in.
How much does it cost?
How much does it cost?
Around $30.
Around $30.
Can you turn on the meter?
Can you turn on the meter?
Yes, no problem.
Yes, no problem.
How long will it take?
How long will it take?
About 25 minutes.
About 25 minutes.
Do you have a menu in English?
Do you have a menu in English?
Yes, here it is.
Yes, here it is.
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
Try the grilled fish.
Try the grilled fish.
Is this dish spicy?
Is this dish spicy?
Yes, very spicy.
Yes, very spicy.
Can I get this without meat?
Can I get this without meat?
Yes, we can make it vegetarian.
Yes, we can make it vegetarian.
Can I have the bill, please?
Can I have the bill, please?
Sure, one moment.
Sure, one moment.
Do you take credit cards?
Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we accept all major cards.
Yes, we accept all major cards.
How much is this?
How much is this?
It's $15.
It's $15.
Can I try this on?
Can I try this on?
Yes, the fitting room is there.
Yes, the fitting room is there.
Do you have this in a larger size?
Do you have this in a larger size?
Let me check for you.
Let me check for you.
Can I get a receipt?
Can I get a receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Yes, here it is.
Do you ship internationally?
Do you ship internationally?
Yes, for an extra fee.
Yes, for an extra fee.
What time does the museum open?
What time does the museum open?
At 9 a.m.
At 9 a.m.
Is there an entrance fee?
Is there an entrance fee?
Yes, it's $10 per person.
Yes, it's $10 per person.
Can I take photos inside?
Can I take photos inside?
Only without flash.
Only without flash.
Where is the restroom?
Where is the restroom?
Down the hall to the right.
Down the hall to the right.
How long is the tour?
How long is the tour?
About 1 hour.
About 1 hour.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
Of course. What do you need?
Do you speak English?
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Yes, a little.
I'm lost. Can you show me on the map?
I'm lost. Can you show me on the map?
Sure, you are here.
Sure, you are here.
Is this a safe area?
Is this a safe area?
Yes, but stay alert at night.
Yes, but stay alert at night.
Where is the nearest pharmacy?
Where is the nearest pharmacy?
2 blocks that way.
2 blocks that way.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
I'm from Canada.
Is this your first time here?
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
How long are you staying?
How long are you staying?
Just 3 days.
Just 3 days.
Do you like it here?
Do you like it here?
Yes, it's beautiful.
Yes, it's beautiful.
What places have you seen?
What places have you seen?
The beach and the old town.
The beach and the old town.
Where can I buy a SIM card?
Where can I buy a SIM card?
At the kiosk in the airport.
At the kiosk in the airport.
Can I charge my phone here?
Can I charge my phone here?
Yes, there's a socket under the table.
Yes, there's a socket under the table.
What's the local currency?
What's the local currency?
It's the euro.
It's the euro.
Where can I exchange money?
Where can I exchange money?
At the bank or exchange office.
At the bank or exchange office.
What's the weather like today?
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
It's sunny and warm.
Do I need a visa?
Do I need a visa?
Depends on your passport.
Depends on your passport.
Is tap water safe to drink?
Is tap water safe to drink?
No, better buy bottled water.
No, better buy bottled water.
Can I use my card here?
Can I use my card here?
Not everywhere. Cash is better.
Not everywhere. Cash is better.
Where can I find a taxi?
Where can I find a taxi?
At the taxi stand outside.
At the taxi stand outside.
Is there a hospital nearby?
Is there a hospital nearby?
Yes, just 10 minutes away.
Yes, just 10 minutes away.
What's the emergency number?
What's the emergency number?
It's 112.
It's 112.
How do I call a cab?
How do I call a cab?
Use the app or call this number.
Use the app or call this number.
Which is the best place to visit in this city?
Which is the best place to visit in this city?
National Gallery.
National Gallery.
What's the best time to visit here?
What's the best time to visit here?
In spring or autumn?
In spring or autumn.
Is this city expensive?
Is this city expensive?
Yes, a little.
Yes, a little.
Can I rent a bike here?
Can I rent a bike here?
Yes, at many rental shops.
Yes, at many rental shops.
Is public transport easy to use?
Is public transport easy to use?
Yes, very simple and fast.
Yes, very simple and fast.
What local food should I try?
What local food should I try?
Try the fish and chips.
Try the fish and chips.
Are there any free attractions?
Are there any free attractions?
Yes, many museums are free.
Yes, many museums are free.
Is this a tourist-friendly city?
Is this a tourist-friendly city?
Yes, very welcoming.
Yes, very welcoming.
Can I find vegetarian food easily?
Can I find vegetarian food easily?
Yes, there are many options.
Yes, there are many options.
Where can I buy souvenirs?
Where can I buy souvenirs?
At the Central Market.
At the Central Market.
Do locals speak English here?
Do locals speak English here?
Yes, most of them do.
Yes, most of them do. Thanks for watching.